Confetti slime?
No!
I like you!
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the most epic channel on YouTube. Welcome to another awesome day. If you guys are new here, I'm Carter Sharer. This is Lizzy Liz. Turn the camera.
Hi guys!
And smash that subscribe button and let's get this day started, okay?
Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. This is Pam and I, joined by
And Ethan.
So, here on this video, we're gonna make slime. As you see, we have all these accessories and a lot of slime.
Materials, yes.
Yeah. So
We have so much crazy glue. It's
Yes.
awesome.
So, for first 500 subscribers, you guys, thank you
600.
so much.
Wow!
Yay, thank you! Oh my god!
Good job, Pam.
500 subscribers! We have
Woo!
600 now! Who knows have 700?
600.
Thank you
700
so
by when this
much!
video is posted.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
We're going to have a challenge. See who can make the best slime. Pam, choose your colors.
Well, my favorite color is metallic gold, and we have gold here. And my second favorite color is red. So, here we go.
And I have to choose pink. Let's go.
Alright.
So the first step is to pour 2 containers of the glitter glue in your bucket. The second step is to add the shaving cream just to cover up all the glue. Target.
Okay. Yeah.
Slime Wars.
This is gonna be, okay, it's probably gonna be a fail slime now.
Our brand. I think this one would look really good with yours.
Okay.
It looks like a
Dude,
crime
that's
scene.
too much! Because you know food coloring is really dark. It's way too much.
Oh yeah. Maybe some purple.
What?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
And a little bit of blue.
Add a little bit of purple. Honestly, we don't know if this is gonna work.
It won't work.
This is our
It's a
first
fail.
time making slime, so we clearly
I don't even know what
we're
slime
doing.
is, okay?
Yeah, I don't know what slime is. I've never touched slime.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, 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 Ethan, what is
Look at
this?
this. This is galaxy slime right here. This is thumbnail.
Whoa, look at this. This is Scooby-Doo colors. That looks like the dragon fruit thing. Alright, so as you see, we're struggling. We put so much in here. And, not really working. Mine is like, what color is this?
Whoa. Okay, that's
It actually does something now? Okay.
It's actual slime. Okay, that's
Look,
a lot.
look, this.
It is actual slime.
Look, it's coming together now. See? Alright, so we're just adding a lot of contact solution. As you saw, we used like a whole half bottle for his to just get this big of a slime. So, I'm gonna pour it on here. Some more baking soda. Hopefully this works. Whoa, whoa, guys, it's coming together. You see this little...
Wait, my
giant-
hands are blue.
You see this? Oh my god, it's coming together. I am so satisfied with this. I hope you guys are too.
It's hashtag oddly satisfying.
Yes.
We forgot the water.
That wasn't working. Oh. Wow.
Slime fails take 2.
We're gonna redo this.
I
really guys,
want to get another one.
We're adding a lot of shaving cream because, you know, it wasn't working before. We're gonna try this again.
Take 2.
Hopefully-
Extreme slime version. Let's go.
Hopefully this works.
Hey, we need all the shaving cream we can get.
I think that's enough.
My brothers can make mini shaving cream because we dump stuff out and yeah.
Mini slime.
Dropping beats that
Okay.
You forgot my brother.
No, I think I got him really well.
Oh.
Here. So should I just like destroy this one?
Yeah, that looks like
It
scientists.
almost dropped.
Whoa, this is so far the best.
This is no, I'm not joking. This is actually working. We should have worked together. See, guys.
Yes. See?
Team
This is the life
effort.
lesson. You can do 10 times together what you can do alone.
Look, it's not sticking to my hand.
Comment if you agree, and comment if you disagree.
Comment everything. Just say you love this, you hate this, your
Tell us
thoughts on
about your
this.
day. We actually care.
Yeah, we
Pam
actually care.
cares.
Like-
Pam cares about each and every one of her subscribers, and I think that's beautiful.
Yes, I literally comment every single one. If you reply,
She
I will
likes
try.
it in like 10 seconds.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Even when I'm in school, I try to check
We
your comments.
need a little bit more contact solution.
Yep. I'm gonna get some more here.
No, that's fine.
There, now it's in a bowl. Oh, shoot.
What?
Water.
Water!
We forgot
man,
water
got
for the second
Even though we said
time.
we would forget it, we forgot it. Get some water.
Mommy, you need some water. You can't get enough. Okay, we'll be right back, guys. Whoa, a bubble. Oh yeah, because the water breaks everything.
Yeah. Because water helps everything dissolve and combine. And oh my god, this is slime. This is actual slime.
No.
Dropping beats that'll rock your world.
This is washing clothes, guys. This is how you wash your clothes.
Okay, this is crazy good.
So it's actually coming together. Feel it. It's like rubber now.
Yeah, you just have to keep working it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a little bit off and see what it does to food sprinkles because we never tried it, and I haven't seen anybody try it. So
I'm gonna try it too. Whoa! Yeah, no, don't do it. It makes brown. Pam. But it smells good.
it looks like ice cream. That's what it looks like. Whoa. Okay. So this actually feels like rubber. I'm not joking. It feels like rubber, stretchy rubber, with like sprinkles in it.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh my. It literally smells like the ocean. I'm not joking.
It smells so good. It smells like clean ocean.
Yeah, it smells like clean ocean, like Hawaiian theme and stuff. And see, like this is actually perfect slime.
So we decided that we're gonna have a slime fight, just like the Carters, and we're gonna use our really bad first try slime.
Yes.
Mine is like sheep brains over here, galaxy sheep brains.
Mine is just, I don't
Pam?
even know what this is.
Pam.
Spray foam installation.
Confetti slime?
No! So tell us. Wait. Okay, let's do the outro. No, we're good. Let's do the outro. I'm Ethan.
And I'm-
Thank you for watching. And this is.
Pam, and here we're of course making slime again.
We're making slime. This is our good slime.
And
We had a small slime fight. This was a great story. There was love lost
and yeah, everything.
and slime.
My family are on this, my friends are on this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Get Pam Loves Carter to 1,000
Yes,
subscribers.
1,000 subscribers, then 1,000 likes on this video, and we will do more of slime in the future.
1,000 likes and I eat some slime.
So tell your friends to subscribe, tell your family to subscribe, tell your teachers, your neighbors, your dog to subscribe.
Like I want it.
Yeah, I should.
Bye.